Hi! In front of me is Oppo Reno 7 and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Start by opening Play Store and typing in Magic Fluids in the search bar. Then install this free app from this developer and open it. After that, you need to click on those three lines at the bottom right corner and select Settings at the top. Then click on I accept in the pop-up and adjust all of those wallpaper settings however you wish to. When you're ready, you need to click at the top right corner and bottom one again. This time though, choose Set as Live Wallpaper over here, tap on Apply and select one of those options by tapping on the best one for you. I will go with home screen only. So now when I go back, as you can see, my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!